for several weeks to ensure that all claimants receive any and all benefits to which they are entitled. However, some of the press stories about Connect have been incomplete and focus on a narrative that is more likely to grab readers than to accurately report facts. My hope is that through today's presentation, we can provide hard facts and dispel some of the fictions that have been presented about Connect and DEO. As you will see, while the first 2 weeks of implementation have been rockier than expected, on the whole, the system is now properly processing the substantial majority of claims, and the two main issues that were causing complaints, PIN problems and the unavailability of a link to claim certain benefit weeks, have been resolved. Calls to DEO have decreased dramatically in the last week, and we continue to work with our vendor to ensure that any new problems with the system are quickly but also properly and carefully resolved. That said, some delays are still possible. These may occur for one of three reasons. First, some technical issues may still arise. For example, having converted nearly 2 billion lines of data from a 30-year-old system, some data conversion errors are simply inevitable. In addition, we know that some technical problems are causing our adjudication and appeals unit to process cases less quickly than they otherwise might. And we're working to fix those issues expeditiously, and we expect daily improvement on those fronts. Second, whenever a new computer interface is deployed, it takes users some time to acclimate. The associated delay is not due to system error. It is simply an inevitable byproduct of system implementation. And third, each week the RA system can be expected to hold some claims for further investigation or to deny them outright. These are not technical errors, but rather are a normal part of the RA process. It is important to differentiate claims held for business reasons and claims experiencing technical problems. In numerous cases, claimant queries and complaints in the last few weeks, once investigated, have not been related to technical errors, but rather to legitimate denials or investigation of claims. Again, let me assure the committee that the DEO contracted for a fully functional system, and we continue to work with our contractor, our vendor, Deloitte, to make sure that that is what we get. As we stand here today, the system is operational. It is processing most claims without incident, has processed nearly 300,000 claims to date, and there is a dedicated team and a robust plan in place to resolve remaining issues. With that, allow me to provide some brief